Alright guys, I got the center console done for the Black Nasty. I'm going to go over everything here so you guys can see it all functioning. Got the window switches right here. That's passenger and driver. This will roll the windows up and down. So all that works. These are the door popper switches that will be put in at a later date, but they're just pre-wired up now. Got the control knobs for everything. This is the wall. This is all the mids. This will be all the tweets later on. The wall is on. 2 alts are on. There's all 4 alts on, and you can see the voltmeters come on when I flick the alts off and on. Then we got temperature gauges. This is on the monoblock amps in the back, 93 degrees. This is in the door where there's nothing right now, but there will be amps in that door. It's 81 degrees inside the rear door right now. And got the SoundCube titanium tweets on each side and the Pro mids on each side, 6.5s. Basically these are running just off the deck right now, and then this knob here controls the mids that are in the doors as of right now. And the only other thing is the lid. As you can see, it's not locked right now, it's unlocked. What's holding it down is there's neo magnets embedded in the top part of the lid and in the base of the console, so you got to put quite a bit of pressure on it to pick it up. So, and it didn't move, rattle, anything, and got 615s hammering right up against it. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think. Crap's giving me a headache, man.